So hi, good morning guys. In today's video, we'll be delineating our watershed, a study area from the DEM of Anantnag. So today's video is going to be lengthy. The first thing I'm doing here, I'm opening the ArcMap 10.8. I have this version. You can use the 10.5 version also. It's opening. Let's wait for a minute. So here we are. Once we're into the ArcMap, the first thing we'll do is we'll add data. We have to add the DE file of the data. So I have this DEM here of Anantnag district. I'll add it here. So I have to take out a watershed from this DEM file. So the first thing I'll do is I'll take out the basin, river basins of this particular district. For that, I'll go here, spatial analysis tools. So this video will be part 1. I'll name it as how to delineate a basin from your this district. So here I'll go to hydrology. I'll click on fill. In the fill, I have to give the input of this DEM. In the output surface raster, I'll click here and I'll select my folder where I have. So here I have this hydrological modeling. I'll create a new folder here by clicking this new folder icon and I'll name it files, and I'll save all my files in this specific folder. So I'll name this fill of DEM. I'll save it and click OK. Now wait for some seconds while the fill layer is generated. It'll show here. See, our fill is complete. So the second thing we'll do is we'll find the flow direction. In the flow direction input surface, we'll give the input of fill. Just click on fill DEM, select your output, name it as flow direction of DEM and save it. Click OK. Now flow direction map to be generated. Here we have this. Now I'll click on basin. In the input, I give the flow direction that I have created, and the output I name it as basin and click save. Click on OK. Now wait for some seconds. So see here, basin file has been generated. Now I'll go here in the conversion tools and here from raster, clicking from raster and click raster to polygon. Double click on this. In the input raster, input basin file that we have created and give the output basin polygon and save it. Okay. Here we have polygon. Now click on this little icon here. Click hollow and OK. Unhide all the layers that are in the background. Here we have this. Now I have to work on which basin. It's up to you. For selecting a particular basin, I'll click on attribute of set features tab and I'll see the basin that I want to work on. Say for example, I want to work on this basin here. I'll select this basin, just click, left click and select it. Click on geoprocessing. Click on clip. In the input feature, give the input of basin polygon. In the clip feature, again give the input of basin polygon. In the output here, write C area. This is our study area. Click save and OK. Now this is the file that I want. I'll unhide this. This is the file I want. In the next video, we will work on this feature. No, sorry. Now, after the file has been generated, click on this unlock DEM layer. This is going to be the part 2 of this video. After you are here on the unlock, you have to go to the hydrology tools, spatial analysis tools, on extraction. Click extract by mask. Input the raster of this unlock DEM that is in the background, and input the shape feature as this polygon that we have created study area, and give its name as study area DEM. Click on save and OK. So hide this and click on here on this little button, select hollow here. OK. So this is our area that I want to work on. Now click on again fill option. In the fill, give study area DEM, and in the output give name study area fill. Click on save and OK. After that, click on flow direction. In the input, give the study area fill, and in the output, name it as study area. What we are doing here? Study area flow direction. Flow direction. Don't save. See, if some error comes like this, your name is too long. You have to cut it short. Study area flow direction. Okay. Flow direction of this particular area has been generated. Now click on accumulation. In the flow accumulation, give the study area flow direction here and give its output as study area flow accumulation. Click on save and OK. Now go to this map algebra option. Double click on raster calculation. Double click on this study area flow accumulation, and here select greater than 1500. Click OK. After this is created, now click on the stream order. Double click. Input stream raster here. This that we have created. Steady area flow accumulation calculation. Input flow direction, steady area flow direction, and give the out steady area stream order. Click save and OK. After that, click on stream to feature. In the input raster, give the raster that I have just created, steady area stream order. Click on this, and in the input flow direction, give it flow direction, and output give steady area stream to feature. Stream to feature. Click save and OK. Now zoom a bit. See, you will see the streams. Now unhide the layers here. Unhide all the layers. Just keep the layer of study area stream to feature and study area follow on. Now right click on this, click on properties, click on symbology, click on category case. In the value field, select grade code and add all values. Now this is the first order stream, second order, third order, and fourth order. Now here, double click on this icon here, increase the size of fourth order stream, change the color, click OK. Similarly, for the third order, change the color to blue, give increase the size, increase the size, and it is click on OK. Now, see, you can see this is fourth order stream. So, all the precipitation and rainfall that surface that happens in this area, it is coming from the first order stream to second order stream. Second order stream joins to the third order stream. The third order stream then further joins to the fourth order stream, and it's creating this. This is our base. Now, are all this complete? Click on this Windows icon here. Go to catalog, and in your specific folder we have just created in the hydrological link, in the files, right click and create a shape file. Shape file as PowerPoint. Edit word systems. Give the coordinate of the file we are working on. That is DEM. Click on it and okay. So in this PowerPoint, what does we'll start edit of point. Where is PowerPoint? Here it is. Click on OK and click on create features. Close the tab, select this point. Now what it does, it will delineate our watershed. I have to, if I have a point here, this point indicates that this is the whole of watershed that will be delineated from our study area. Second point I'll give here. Third point I give at this point. Fourth here, fifth here, and sixth in the end. So I have given total of 6 points. So it means 6 watersheds will be created. Now I will stop editing and see them. Close this. Go into this arc toolbox. Click on Snap PowerPoint. In the Snap PowerPoint, give the PowerPoint shapefile that we have just created. In the PowerPoint field, select ID, and the input accumulation raster, select the stream accumulation of that after calculation that we have done, and give its output as study area snap PowerPoint. Click on save. Okay, wait for a minute. So here this is created, and take this, hide it. We need, click on watershed, double click here, input the flow direction raster. Direction raster, here it is, study area flow direction, and in the input raster select this this snapped point. Click on this and save it as study area watershed. Click on save. Its name is too long, so we'll cut some, so it is good now. Click on OK. Now we'll wait and our watersheds will be delineated. So here we have these watersheds. After it is complete, click again on this conversion tools from raster to polygon. Duplicate. Now input the raster of the watershed that we have just created and give its study area watershed. Click save and OK. This will be the main file that we need here. Here we have this, and hide this, hide all these, just keep it open this string feature. Yes. So we got this. Click this, follow, okay, and Basin, okay, great. This is our study area. Now, in the next video, I'll be showing you how to add attributes of this particular watershed. Thank you so much for watching and wait for the part 2 that I'll be uploading soon. Thank you so much.